Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. We're going to take a look at the market leading stocks here and take a look at the scans to see what they have to tell us about what to expect for the coming session. That's going to be Wednesday, March 6, 2013. So take a look at our scans here. We definitely are a little bit better to the sell side here. Only have one buy signal, that's Google. That's a CPS signal. That's been very, very strong. Good volume there, about not quite 2 times this normal run rate, and a nice close above the open. But we definitely have a lot of volume in the market today. Big volume bump in China, big move there. So definitely keep an eye on these things before you're starting to get exhausted. Maybe need to pull back and have some kind of a little bit of corrective activity. All right, now looking at the financial sectors, this is considerably weak here. There's no buy signals, and there's quite a few sell signals. We've got a couple differential sell signals and also some camouflage sell signals. These are the ones that can be really treacherous because these camouflage sell signals in combination like this is oftentimes the beginning and the footprints of a current move getting exhausted. Also note that there's a lot of volume bumps here. USB, MetLife, Citigroup, and American Express. Bank of America is in an exhaustion buy off of the Comer and the Seeker study, so definitely keep an eye on that one. As far as the energy stocks, better for sale, but not by a lot. There's only a couple indications here, but the ones do have some volume behind them. The rig was up pretty good today, but ultimately faded, but is hanging on to a CPS upside signal, up on better volume. Schlumberger, kind of the complementary stock, showing a camouflage sell signal, so that's probably the one to watch tomorrow. As far as the generals go, the generals are definitely better for sale here. Sell indications in Caterpillar, Deere, GE, and Verizon. Definitely keep an eye on Deere. It was kind of first day up today, breaking out of a pattern, but pulled back off its high by a decent amount, closing right in and around the VWAP, so it gave back a lot of what the buyers had done for it. Housing, not too much there, but the real damage here is in the transportation. The transportation across the board are fairly weak. Right now, the transportations are definitely showing weakness here. Keep an eye on the whole group tomorrow. We've got differential sell signals, which means they're up on the day, but they're well off the highs, and these are, as we talked about before, the types that can really lead into some nastiness. Here's the commodities. The commodities, there's some on both sides, but we're definitely biased to the sell side here. A lot of camouflage sell signals and a couple of CPS sell signals as well. So anyway, for tomorrow, definitely looking to be a little bit defensive early on, and definitely want to have some short setups available to play for tomorrow's session. So as always, thanks for listening, and this has been Rich Derrick for tradesight.